Alright, welcome to part 3. I have my solar collector mounted on the side of the shop, and as you can see, I put the trim pieces on. I have added a larger solar panel and larger fan. This is the old one. This was probably just a cheap eBay solar attic fan. As you can see, it has quit working after 2 weeks of use. Maybe some wires came loose, maybe the fan burned out, I don't know, but it was only about 50 to 80 CFM, cubic feet per minute, so we increased that. We did the bigger solar panel, and we got a CD technology solar attic fan. And I have mounted that up with a 4 to 5 and 5 to 6 adapter, and then made my own shroud around the fan. It's cranking 200 CFM. So it's substantially more than the old one. A lot more air. As you can see, it's blowing pretty good. The temperature is, I've had the door open a lot, it was almost 60 in here. Now it's 57 in here, it's 44 outside, and it's 132.6. Now it was blowing 121 just a second, about 5 minutes ago. Let's see here. Getting up to 133. That hasn't calibrated yet. Oh, there we go, 133.7. So we've increased it 13 degrees. It was blowing 121. And during testing, this was blowing 200 CFM with the same fan at 155. We lost 30 degrees down to 121. And then I just increased it 12 to 13 degrees with this. I put a fan on a mirror, and that's shining right on the box. I don't know if you can see the outline of the mirror, but it increased the heat by 12, 13 degrees just by putting a mirror on it. But the main reason we lost the 30 degrees from 121, take away the mirror, from 155 to 121, the main reason we lost those 30 degrees, the only change was the angle of the box. It's now mounted flat, and the angle of the sun is, 45 degrees or, 35 degrees, somewhere around there. So if you build your box mounting it flat, you will lose at least 30 degrees. So if this is the angle of the sun, as you can see from the shadow, mount your box or build your box so it is facing directly the sun, at an angle directly facing the sun. This will help a lot, increase your temperature a lot, and I learned a lesson. So if I could figure out how to get this mirror, somehow get back some of my temperature, then it would be a pretty good thing. That's it. Bye-bye.